What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on how to create an Alibaba account this 2025. Whether you are a business owner seeking to expand your market reach or an individual looking for unique products, having an Alibaba account will allow you to access a fast online marketplace. Just follow the steps to ensure a smooth registration process. Let's begin. First, open any web browser that's available on your device. Since all you need is a browser to do this, like mine, I use a Brave browser to do the tutorial. After you open any web browser you want to use, go to the Alibaba website, click the search bar on your device and type alibaba.com. As you can see, I'm already on the website. Now click the sign up button, which is located at the top right of the website screen to sign up for your account. From here, just fill out the forms that needs to be filled out. You can create an account another way. So let's go back to the main website. While we are on the website, point your cursor to the sign in button, which is located at the top right of the screen beside the sign up button. The sign in options appear. It's up to you if you want to sign up by using the social media accounts like Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn for less hassle about creating an account. For example, I will choose Google. So let me click on it. You just have to do the credentials based on the account you want to sync in with Alibaba. And there, as you can see, I have created an account on Alibaba in a simple way. Creating an Alibaba account is a straightforward process that opens up a world of buying and selling opportunities. Remember to verify your email, complete your profile, and set up your payment methods for a smooth experience. Once your account is ready, you can start exploring Alibaba's vast marketplace. If you encounter any issues during registration, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance or to check the help section on the Alibaba website. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.